we're at McKinney Falls State Park today, and we're gonna check out this waterfall. We found the lower falls at McKinney Falls. Alright, the water level was a little low today, but it was still really pretty. Definitely will come back in the summer and swim here, just like the Jacob's Well vlog. Super cold. It's just not warm enough to go swimming, obviously. But really pretty, and we will definitely be back there in the summertime. But for now, we're gonna go explore through here. It's time to go to the upper falls this time. Hopefully it's bigger and more water. I don't know. We'll find out though. We're gonna get a little bite to eat, maybe a drink. I don't know. But I'm feeling dry mouth and hungry. All I've had this morning is a smoothie and some coffee. That's about it. We made it to upper McKinney Falls.
We're about to interrupt some kids.
There's no lifeguard. Let's do this.
Look at this guy. We just saw him. That was crazy. Off into the woods he goes. Okay, so I freaked out when I saw that deer. I had to get a shot of him real quick. We are just driving around, checking out the campgrounds, seeing what's going on here.
We're gonna camp here probably soon.
Definitely want to come back and camp. There's a lot of people here. It's really active. Probably because we're right outside the city. It's really pretty.
It's a beautiful park. You guys should definitely check out McKinney Falls State Park. We're planning on going to Mount Bonnell. It's like West Austin. Apparently it's a 760-foot like cliff, and you can see the Colorado River. So that should be really pretty. We're taking a bunch of pictures on this trip. So check out our Instagram at a couple films, obviously. And if anyone's even watching our videos on YouTube,
feel free to leave us a comment.
Yeah, leave us a comment or any kind of like advice or
feedback, what you guys want to see. We're just going to be adventuring around. Alright, so we just got to this Mount Bonnell area before we get lunch.
We're here!
Yeah, we're just walking up on it now.
Park.
We're starving, but we're gonna climb up here and see what the view is.
Check it out, guys. What's up, guys? We made it to Mount Bonnell. It's beautiful, actually. Incredible. The view down there, you can see really far here in Austin. Those of you who've been to Austin have probably been here, but maybe not. And that's why you guys gotta go explore. It's pretty much in your backyard. And that's what we're doing. What's up, guys? Having a great day? Because I am. Whoa. It's pretty. It's really pretty. Mount Bonnell's beautiful, but the water's so low that everyone's boat docks down there are all way, way above water. Like,
no one can get their boat out.
it's all just dirt and mud. It's such a beautiful place.
So pretty.
Everyone should check it out. I think we're gonna get some food.
Yes. We're back in the car. We just left Mount Bonnell and we are headed to pizza.
Pizza.
I'm excited. We're both excited. We're hangry.
So angry.
We're about to check out Home Slice Pizza.
Home Slice Pizza.
I can smell it right now and it smells so good.
Man, everyone around here is like carrying boxes of it and slices of it. Austin is a pretty cool place.
I'm excited. We got the goods.
I'm really excited.
This giant
Look how
pizza.
big it is.
It's big.
Okay, this thing's huge. I don't think I can open it actually in this car. I'm scared, man. There's our pizza. It's time to eat.
Are you excited?
Yep, happy National Pizza Day.
Happy National Pizza Day.
Man, we had an eventful day. We're home a little early. We got a lot of great photos for you guys. And we're gonna obviously pump out a little vlog. Might not be the longest vlog, but we're kind of getting the hang of things. We just got back from Austin. Now we're gonna grab a cup of coffee at our favorite place, and then we're gonna go home and do some work. So I think this is the end of the vlog right now. Until next time, guys, take care.